Two simple pantry ingredients can be effective as an ant bait when placed correctly, but they rarely eliminate colonies deep inside walls without targeted delivery. Use a sugar or protein-based bait depending on the species, because foraging preferences determine whether worker ants carry food back to the queen and brood. Mix boric acid at a low concentration with a sweet liquid like honey or syrup to make it attractive yet slow-acting so ants share it before dying. For protein feeders, combine boric acid with peanut butter or canned tuna oil, stirring to a paste that sticks to small bait cards or cotton balls. Avoid overloading with boric acid so the bait remains palatable. Place bait stations where you observe trails, at cracks, behind baseboards, and near electrical outlets where ants enter walls, and refresh them daily until activity falls off. Use several small stations rather than one large pile so foragers from different galleries find the bait and distribute it across the colony. Wear gloves when handling boric acid and keep baits out of reach of children and pets. And if you are unsure of species behavior, consider collecting a few workers for identification by a local extension service or pest professional. The three most common issues are using a repellent instead of a bait, which stops foragers from carrying poison back to the nest, placing bait in the wrong spot away from trails or entry points, which prevents uptake, and using a fast-acting toxin that kills workers before they return to the colony, which prevents colony control. Fix the first by avoiding repellents like aerosol sprays near bait stations. Fix the second by following trails to likely wall entry points and situating multiple small stations there. And fix the third by choosing slow-acting boric acid formulations and keeping bait palatable so ants feed and share. Also, if activity persists despite correct baiting, it might be a large or well-hidden wall nest or multiple colonies, and you should consider professional intervention that can access voids or use targeted treatments. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and contact opportunities that match needs to skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, ask questions about tactics like 2-ingredient baits, and exchange practical tips.